In this free session, I am going to walk you through the exact Launchpad framework, the same process I have used to help founders in the US, Europe, and Asia build successful MVPs efficiently. By the end of this session, you'll understand exactly how to plan, design, build, test, and scale your software in the AI era with clarity, and how to avoid the mistakes that kill most startups. Have you ever felt like building your product is taking twice as long and costing twice as much? Building software in 2025 looks nothing like it did 5 years ago. We now have AI tools that can write code, design prototypes, and even test applications. But the truth is, founders are still failing at the same rate because tools do not replace clarity. Success today is not about being the cheapest or the fastest. It's about being strategic. You need a roadmap, you need the right partner, and you need to know where AI fits in and where it does not. That's why the Launchpad framework exists, to give you clarity, control, and confidence in every stage of building your product. Once you have decided to turn your idea into a real product, you hit your first big decision. How do I actually build this? And if you are like most founders, you have probably gone back and forth on these exact options. Your option number one is build an in house team. Full control, yes, but hiring is slow, expensive, and risky. Option number two is hire freelancers, lower cost, more flexibility, but suddenly you become the project manager. Option number three is outsource to a development company. That can save 40 to 60% of cost and time. But pick the wrong partner and you'll lose months of effort. And now there's a fourth option that everyone's talking about. Can I just use AI to build it myself? The truth is, AI tools like GPT-5, Gemini, Copilot have changed the game. They can generate code, build prototypes, even automate testing, but they cannot replace judgment, architecture, or user insight. The founders who are winning right now are combining both. They hire teams who know how to use AI properly to speed up development, reduce costs, and improve quality without skipping the fundamentals. That's exactly what we do through Launchpad. We help you design the right approach, whether that means building in house with AI support, outsourcing to an AI enabled partner, or using a hybrid model. Because once you understand the new rules of how products are built in the AI era, you stop guessing and start executing with confidence. And execution starts with one thing: knowing if your idea actually deserves to be built. Let's talk about how we validate that inside the Launchpad framework. Every successful product starts with one thing: clarity. That's why the Launchpad framework is built on a simple philosophy: build clarity before code. Because the truth is, writing code is the easy part. What really decides success is what you build. A 6 step blueprint that takes you from raw idea to a validated, scalable product. Step one is where it all begins: idea validation. We do not start with features, we start with evidence. Once that clarity is in place, every next decision, features, design, development, testing becomes faster, cheaper, and far less risky. Let's walk you through each step with real examples. Step one is idea validation framework. Let me ask you, how sure are you that your idea truly solves a problem people care enough to pay for? Most founders skip this question because they are excited to build. The truth is, most MVPs don't fail because they were coded wrong. They fail because they were aimed at wrong people. That's why step one is all about validation. We slow down, test assumptions, and uncover the truth about whether your product deserves to be built at all. Here's the 4 part method we use. Step one: define the core problem. If you can't explain what you are solving in one clear sentence, you don't have clarity yet. Step two: identify your top 3 user segments. Who feels this pain the most? Step three: map problem versus value. For each pain point, ask, if I solve this, how much would it really matter? Step 4, prototype and feedback. Build a clickable concept, no code, and test it with 5 to 10 real people. Their reactions will tell you what data never can. Here's a story. A founder wanted to build a social app for pet owners. During validation, he discovered users did not actually care about sharing pictures. They wanted pet sitters. The one inside changed everything. She scrapped 70% of her planned features, focused only on sitter reliability, and launched in 6 weeks. That MVP brought her first paying users and eventually funding. That's what validation does. It saves you from building the wrong thing beautifully. Once your idea is validated, the next challenge is focus, deciding what to build first and what can wait. The second step is feature decision. Here's the trap. Founders love features. They want their MVP to impress everyone, users, investors, advisors. But more features do not create more value. They create more complexity. So before building, ask yourself, if I could only launch with 3 features, which ones would prove the core value of my product? Must, the essentials that prove your concept. Should, useful but can wait. Could, nice to haves for later. Here's an example. A wellness startup came in with 18 planned features. After our workshop, we trimmed it to just 4 must haves: onboarding, progress tracking, habit reminders, and summaries. The MVP launched in 7 weeks at half the cost, and users loved the simplicity. Remember, focus wins. Your MVP's job is not to do everything, it's to prove one thing works. Once you know what to build, the next question is, how will users feel when they use it? That's where design decides your success. Design is not decoration, it's direction. It tells users what to do next without them having to think. Poor design kills startups faster than bad code ever did. At Launchpad, we teach what I call the 30-second design test. If a new user cannot understand your product's purpose in 30 seconds, the design has failed. We start every build with clickable prototypes, not code, just logic and flow. We use Figma, Framer, and Galileo AI to create layouts in days, not weeks. Here's a story. A founder brought us a complex B2B dashboard. Within minutes, users were lost. We redesigned it using our one action per screen rule. Their signups increased by 60% during beta. That's why great design is not just about how your product looks, it's about how it earns trust. Now that your product is designed for clarity, let's talk about how AI can make development faster and smarter. AI has changed everything about software development, but it's not here to replace developers. It's here to supercharge them. Our Launchpad partners use AI at every stage: smart code generation, auto documentation, AI based code reviews, predictive testing. AI takes care of the heavy lifting. Human engineers handle the architecture, logic, and quality. One founder's SaaS MVP was estimated at 12 weeks. Using AI assisted coding, the team shipped it in 7 weeks with 30% lower cost and fewer bugs. AI accelerates results, but only when guided by experience. That's why Launchpad teams combine AI efficiency with expert engineering oversight. But speed is not the whole story. Your product must also perform, scale, and stay secure as you grow. Great products do not just launch, they last. 3 pillars make that possible: testing, scalability, and security. Testing: AI powered automation runs thousands of tests every day, catching bugs instantly. Every Launchpad MVP is built cloud native, so you can grow from 100 to 100,000 users without a rebuild. And in security, we follow GDPR and OWASP standards from day one. You own your IP, your data, and your infrastructure. Here's a quick story. A fintech founder was ready to launch when our AI security scam flagged a data exposure risk. We fixed it in hours, saving his reputation before it was ever at risk. Move fast, yes, but never recklessly. That's the Launchpad way. And to make all this work, you need one last piece, the right development partner. This is the $1 million question. Who will actually build your product? Most founders choose based on price. That's the worst metric you can use. The right partner does not just code, they collaborate. They understand your vision, communicate clearly, and deliver with accountability. Inside Launchpad, we connect you with the pre-vetted Indian teams who have built SaaS and AI products for global clients. These are not random vendors. They are product builders trained in our processes. Transparent communication, agile delivery, AI-enabled workflows, proven results. That's the India advantage. World-class quality, global mindset, and smart cost efficiency. With Launchpad, you don't guess. You build with partners who have already done it and done it well. Now let me show you what happens when this process comes together. Founder from California came to us after 6 months of failed freelancer attempts. We revalidated his idea, trimmed 60% of unnecessary features, and matched him with a vetted AI-ready team in Bangalore. His MVP launched in 8 weeks. Within 3 months, he had 5 paying clients and a strong case study that helped him raise a pre-seed round. Another founder from Germany followed the same framework for a logistics platform. His product scaled to 1,000 users in the first month because it was designed for scale, not just launch. That's what happens when clarity meets execution. If this free session gave you clarity, imagine what you will learn inside the full Launchpad program on Teachable. It's a complete self-paced course where I guide you step by step through everything we discussed today. Idea validation, MVP planning, design systems, AI-enabled development, testing, scalability, and outsourcing playbooks. You will also get real templates, workbooks, and case studies you can apply directly to your product. Once you complete it, you'll have two options. Option number one is consulting driven development. Work directly with me and my team as your strategic CTO partners. Option number two is the sprint program. Outsource your complete development to one of our vetted AI ready partners in India under my supervision. Either way, you'll build your product with clarity, control, and confidence. Click the link below to enroll in the Launchpad program, and let's turn your idea into a product that actually reaches the market. Thank you.